Kibo has made my life easy.
In a world where reading content is effortless for us, it is a challenge for the 10 crore plus blind and visually impaired people. Kibo in voice of specially abled people joined hands to bring about the change.
Hello all, I am Chandrashekhar, basically from Andhra Pradesh, currently working as a research scholar in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Madras. The problem that I frequently encounter during those days is not having accurate scanners to scan the books that are not available in soft copies. But after I started using Kibo, the scenario has changed to a certain extent, as I was able to scan the books that I require and as I want. And ever since I started using, I am quite happy with the device and its performance, because no software in India or no device in India currently gives accurate translation as Kibo does, apart from the normal OCR services it provides. So all in all, I would say that Kibo has made my life easy to a certain extent, as I am someone who deals with the old documents. So the handwritten thing is something that is pretty important for me.
Journey from education to employment.
My goal is that I need to make significant contributions to the field that I am currently engaged, that is modern Indian history, medical history precisely. Being in that case, I would be teaching somewhere in universities or somewhere. So what Kibo does is that Kibo helps me to correct papers. That's an integral part of any teacher working anywhere. Yeah, that is one thing that I really admire. And scanning books is another area that Kibo does. It is helping me now and will also help me in the future.
Support received from Voice of Specially Abled People.
Although Kibo has been a very affordable device, but people like me, students who are pursuing their education, still it is quite expensive item to purchase. So the Voice of Specially Abled People had come in a very good time in my life, in a very crucial stage of my research, and they offered me to give discount about 21,000 rupees for the device that I purchased. So it had actually helped me significantly and reduced my financial burdens to a large extent, and I am always grateful for them for this great favor that significantly change my career and would significantly boost my career aspects. Not everything is impossible. There are things that can be achieved with our perseverance and determination. The only thing that we require is willpower, and the world is there for us to support, as Kibo is doing for us.
Contact Trestle Labs to avail the subsidy by Voice of Specially Abled People. Call that +91 9328401818. Email us at kibo@trastlalabs.com. Visit our website at www.trastlalabs.com.